Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Hood's Fishies. Sorry for no videos for a few days. I've been out of action. My big dog baby doll has had to have soft tissue lipoma taken out of her leg, so that was pretty decent surgery. So I decided to take a few days, just make sure I look after her. Took a break from fish stuff for a bit. Well, still did changes and stuff and kept the fish room going, but just no vids for a couple of days. But I'm going to pick it up again. First things first, let's get started on this rack. But how about let's get that drop first. So to do this rack upgrade, as we've covered before, we've got to put the marine ply, which we've already pre-prepped with water sealant, and then our 20mm styrofoam on here, which will do the upgrade. We also want to plug the tanks with glass as opposed to the old plugs that are in there, which fry can get away in, just makes it a bit of a bastard to catch them out of there. So we're going to get them out and put nice flat glass plugs on top, and just redo this base section of the rack for now. So first things first, we've got to get all these fry out, so bear with me and I'll do that first. So there we go, fish are out the tubs. Now we've just got to get the power off, get the heaters out, disconnect the rest of the air lines, and then we'll start draining the tubs, get the tanks out of here, and we can actually start showing you the board upgrade. So bear with me while we get that done. So I've taken some water out the tanks and saved that for later so that we can help to restart these tanks again perfectly once we're all done. We've got the cycled sponges in the tubs with the fish, so that should all be good to go. Now I just want to start emptying the tanks one by one from the end out, because as you'll see, the dividers are already getting loose. That's just because as we reduce the weight, the tanks start to splay apart a bit. So I want to make sure that we start from one end and work our way across. So let's get that done. So the first tank's out, I've hosed it off, just going to start drying it out. I just thought I'd show you guys this plug that I'm talking about that are in the bottom of them, because they used to be part of a sump setup, then I switched to air to keep the power cost down. So you see, I just want to get these plugs out, and then I'm going to glue over the base with a nice fresh piece of glass, and it'll just make it that much easier for getting the fry out in the future. So we've hit a bit of an impasse. I was trying to get this out, but it won't turn any further. Sorry, exposure's a bit bright there. Yeah, but it won't turn any further. There we go, just bring the exposure down a bit. So I've been trying really hard to get this off, but it's caught over here. So I'm gonna have to hacksaw it off, but I can't find my hacksaw right now. So I think that's gonna involve a trip to Bunnings. So now that we've got 3 drained, 4th one's just draining now, I think we might leave this vid here so I can go to Bunnings and get a saw and then get the rest on and then get this glass on, get the rest of the tanks cleaned out, and then I think we might show you that tomorrow. So until then, catch you next time.